Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
In addition to the latest $500 360-degree Max 2 camera announced by GoPro this fall, the company is also out with a new lower-priced model, this time with a built-in light. It's the Hero Lit. The company's Chris Prado.
So that camera has a new quad array LED on the front that is able to illuminate the scene around it. Our customers are able to take this camera and use it in situations that you really wouldn't reach for a GoPro before. We're seeing everyone from super young kids all the way through people in their 30s going out to dinner and restaurants and bars at night, using this thing and choosing to bring it out because you have this awesome new camera flash.
And the $270 price tag is a bright spot too.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.